Hi, I am Pal Mazumdar from Lexus and Company. Today we talk about the topic of letter of indemnity. What is a letter of indemnity? Now, it defines the term indemnity as a protection against a loss, damage or injury. This concept is explained under section 124 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. It says that a contract by which a party promises to compensate the other party for any loss or damage incurred during the transaction is referred to as a contract of indemnity. The best example that clearly explains this is an insurance policy. Here, the insurance company creates a contract with its clients stating that they will bear all the losses incurred by the client in relation to a specific situation. Car insurance is one of them. In simple terms, a letter of indemnity or LOI is a document in which one party, the promisor, guarantees the other party that certain provisions will be met between them, and if in any case the other party faces any loss or damage due to the conduct of the promisor or any third party, then the suffering party will be compensated in basically protects the promisee against some unexpected loss. This contractual document is generally drafted by a third party instituted like a bank or an insurance company, and these third party institutions pay the financial compensation on behalf of the promisor to the losing property and the party in is loss. Some examples to understand it better is a letter of indemnity is used in business dealing like global trade or a commerce. Or for example, moving companies and delivery services have the job of transporting value and the items from one place to another. In a situation where the valuable items are lost, damaged or stolen during the transport, a letter of indemnity ensures that the person who owns the value items will be compensated. Thank you all. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.